rooster usually wakes me up in the morning, but I didn't hear him this morning, so instead of getting up before the sunrise, I got up after. So I'm gonna let these guys out of the coop. Hey girl! Projects I was working on didn't finish. Not the horse. Piece of wood. And there's my, yeah, I didn't finish those. Oh, here's my boots. You want to see my boots? There's the duck. The ducks are sleeping in their house. And I'm going to release the birdies. So this will be fun. I got goodies for them. Somebody's picking my bag. Oh, sharing. Oh. Ouch, not my finger. The tomato, not my finger. Goodness. You can imagine this beak pecking you. And they're starving. A tomato. Look at those eyes. Well, Miss Jenny's the new kid around, so we gotta give her some special privileges. Make her feel more at home. Okay, guys. Alright, you're getting too case you haven't noticed already, tomatoes is a favorite of chickens, ducks, turkeys. Yes. I wonder if we could zoom in on. Okay, you guys can have it now. There you go. It's all gone. Wow, actually, look at that. I actually got blood on my... it's just a little bit, but... Too excited about the tomato. It's dangerous. That's actually the first time I've had blood from my chickens pecking me. I was asked about all my birds, and I eat a lot of eggs, so and I enjoy birds. Hi, baby. Oh, I don't have another one, sorry. I enjoy birds, but I do eat a lot of eggs. And hi, cutie. She's warmed up to me really good. So, I just woke up not long ago, so I'm sure I look pretty well. Oh my goodness, no, my pants are not food. So I got chickens for eggs, and the ducks too for duck eggs, and I didn't even know this, that turkeys lay some nice eggs. So I hope to have turkey eggs, because I do have a girl turkey, and but I heard that turkeys help with snakes problems, and I've actually had a really bad snake problem. Not really bad, but I've had enough. Well, one is already too many. Enough snakes in the coop that they're fighting for the tomato, that I didn't want any more snakes. So this is Penny. Penny. Oh, the baby's got him. Ooh. This is the greatest football game right here. Go, baby, go! 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 Moving too fast. Got it! Wow, even the mama took... Mama took the tomato from her baby. That's their mama over here. She just took their tomato. I'm sorry, babies. Sorry about that. Okay. These were a birthday surprise. These little duckies. And they'll lay some nice eggs too, actually. They will always be little though, like they are little compared to my big ducks. My big ducks are separated because they don't have a sharp beak like chickens do, but it's amazing since they are so big. And they're more pushy. And the chickens are pushy too. The combination is just not good. My turkey. Here's my turkey. I love my turkey. I'm sorry to tell you this, but every time you peck on my pants, it doesn't make more tomatoes appear. I guess it's time to give Farah some attention. I had to make sure my clothesline didn't have clothes on it. Hey, pretty girl. She's so beautiful. If you haven't read my book, it's a little book. There's a black horse in it, like my horse. And it's called The Open Door to My Soul. It's on Amazon. And it's just kind of a neat little book. I have been working on another book for the past year, so hopefully get that out sooner than later. So that's my, whoops, probably zoomed in too much. That is a morning with one little injury. That's what I get for giving my babies a tomato. Oh, now everybody's trying to get out of the chicken coop. I do let my chickens out loose. But I don't let them out loose when I'm not able to be out here with them because of predators. That's Dakota. Finally he crows. Because I've lost animals to predators. Even when I'm here. My turkey loves me. She wants to come out with me. No, it's not really like that. She wants some more tomatoes. Anyways, so, I'll see you all later. Shalom. Shalom. Oh, before I forget, oh my goodness, this is huge. Very big. I should probably be getting food ready for these guys, but we are oh, I know goodness. Everybody's hungry. We have witnessed history in the making with the peace deal with Israel, Bahrain, the UAE, United Arab Emirates. It's truly actually surreal and exciting. And terrifying, not terrifying like to be afraid, but just knowing what comes, you know. We know according to the word, the prophecies about the things to come when such peace is made, and so it's like exciting, and then, well, we know what happens, so we know we're getting closer to the return of our Savior, and it's very exciting and just amazing, and yeah, so awesome. Well, we must continue to keep praying for shalom for Israel and for his people, that which are scattered all over the world. Yeah, so lots of things to pray about, and salvation to all nations. Amen. So before I let you go, blessings to all of you. I love you all, and I want to say thank you, of course, to those of you who have continued to support me, to support the music ministry and the ministry itself, and just your love is just amazing. I think I'm hopefully going to try to do a live stream, perhaps, before Rosh Hashanah, Yom Teruah, if we want to say it biblically. We'll see, but it's pretty neat. I know some of you want to know more about the biblical feasts, and I have shared in the past, but for those who are new to my channel and you'd have to fish through my videos, I'll see what I can do. But for now, I'll let you go, and thank you again to all of you. Also, those of you who write letters, I love your letters, so thank you. Letters are encouraging. And here's my horsey one more time before we go, if I can get a close-up on her face. Yeah. Hi, baby. Hi. Okay, I'll feed you. Okay. Hopefully it's not turned up so high that you can't see my face. Hi. Shalom. You'll notice my eyes are wider and I'm a little bit more awake. Got my cup of coffee here. It wasn't, not saying that it is the coffee, but I'm just more awake. I had something to eat, because I just got coffee, so we can't say it's the coffee that woke me up. I'm actually still tired. Anyways, yeah, I decided to continue the video, because I think I shared about this, but I think I only shared about it briefly, and I want to share about it again so you guys can be praying for me if I haven't shared it already. And that is that for the Feast of Tabernacles, Sukkot, I will be flown into Washington D.C. For a special celebration to do music, worship music, and it's going to be awesome. I'm not sharing the details though publicly. I just shared some of it, but that's all I'm sharing because there are, along with the wonderful people that support me and watch my channel, sadly there are people who want to harm me that watch my channel, and that's not just saying people who aren't in the believing community. There are wolves in sheep's clothing in the believing community, and I've come across many of those throughout my life and throughout having this channel. So yeah, I'm not sharing details, but if you happen to live near the Washington D.C. area and you want to know more about it, and you're one of the good people that love me, that really love me, please feel free to email me personally to my email, and I can share more information about it so you can maybe join. It's my rooster crowing. He hears my voice. And, no, wow. Now my neighbor's donkey. I have two neighbors. Oh my goodness, now both the donkeys. I literally have a neighbor on one side of me who has a donkey, and a neighbor on the other side who has like 3 donkeys. So, yeah, I fit. Apparently the donkeys have a message, and the rooster has a message from the Lord today. Message on patience, that's what it is. As we know in the good book, we read about the donkey that spoke. Good story. Very good story. We are so similar to the animals, and I know people who believe in evolution. I believe in things have changed. You know, things adapt because creatures that move to colder places, you know, their body, things change, but I don't believe we become an entirely different species. To me, it's humorous. It was God doing something humbling when He created apes and monkeys to be so similar to us. But we have something that the animals don't have. The animals have already this inside knowing of who God is. We, on the other hand, God wanted us to have a choice to, if we wanted to seek to know Him more or not. But the animals, they already know Him. We are so much like them. I mean, we're related to them in that sense. I believe, in the sense that we have the same Creator, and we're just, that's why I'm all about respecting the animals, because they are like us. They really are. Anyways, I'm getting off the topic here about Washington, D.C. and my coffee. I just has my coffee. Good Puerto Rican strong coffee with cream. No sugar, just cream. Yes, so that's going to be coming up for that, for the Feast of Tabernacles. My favorite place to be for Sukkot is in New Mexico with my spiritual family there, but I can't afford to go to pay for my way to go there. I mean, it literally, when between when I'm selling artwork and some CDs, and then what you guys send to support me, it gets me through, which is awesome. Because and I actually have paintings that I have sold that I need to get out that I haven't sent yet, so sorry about that, those of you who are waiting for your paintings. But yeah, that's what I wanted to share for prayers, and any prayers you guys have. Also, if you had a question, a topic you wanted me to talk about, and you left it in the comments, there's quite a few comments, and sometimes things get lost in there, so please send it to me directly in an email so I can see it and we can talk about it on this channel. I love you guys, and shalom, shalom. Okie dokie. So this is what has happened is I have lost another string, and when this happens, it's loud. Like it goes pop. You can imagine this massive size of this instrument. But I've done videos before about how to, I don't know if you guys can see me, about how to restring one of these, so I won't do that, but definitely on Yiskah's list for today, I gotta practice a lot of music for this event, as well as a competition that I'm trying to get myself into. Some tuning to do.